Hi, my name is Nick Gawreluk. I'm the HP Indigo Supplies Product Manager, coming to you live here from Alpharetta, Georgia at our HP Demo Center. Really hope to see everyone at Dscoop this year in Dallas, Texas. As always, it's going to be an incredible event. I'll be leading a session called The Next Generation of Indigo Supplies, and it's going to be focusing on the innovation in the supplies portfolio, everything that's coming this year in 2018. It's a talk that's focused for anyone from press operators to operations management, even members of the management team. And what I'll be going into is how the Indigo supplies will impact in a positive way not only your top line but bottom line. I'll be talking about the impact from supplies that have longer lifespans, higher image quality, and even new products such as fluorescent yellow, orange, and green that can help you attract new business and grow sales that take on higher profit margins. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.